Welcome to Amsterdam, a city known for its iconic canals, charming architecture, and vibrant culture. But beyond the bustling streets and bikes, there's a softer side, a world of nature quietly thriving in the heart of the city. Follow the Amstel River, and you'll find moments of stillness. The water mirrors the skies, while reeds sway along the banks, a peaceful contrast to the city's pulse just beyond. In Amsterdam, nature is not just an escape, it's a quiet companion, always close by. Among the water, the trees, and the sky, the city finds its balance. And so can you. Here in Vondelpark, the city's largest green oasis, the rhythm of nature moves at its own gentle pace. Locals stroll, birds sing, and life breathes freely under a canopy of trees. Beneath the rustling trees, through falling leaves, each turn reveals a new view, a new feeling, like nature is riding right beside you. In Amsterdam, cycling is more than a journey, it's a conversation with nature. Silent, yet deeply felt. In Vondelpark, the city slows down. Cyclists glide past moments of joy, through green silence, not chasing a destination, just embracing the ride. As your wheels follow the edge of a quiet canal, and the sun paints the water gold, time gently fades into peace. A city built on water, shaped by history, and alive with spirit. Here, every bridge tells a story, every street holds a secret, and every sunrise feels like a painting. This is a city that moves on two wheels, where locals don't just ride, they flow past 17th century homes, quiet canals, and blooming corners that surprise you at every turn. From vibrant markets to cozy cafes, the soul of Amsterdam lies in its details. A warm laugh, a shared bike ride, a fresh stroopwafel in hand. That's Amsterdam, charming, calm, and full of life. See you on the next adventure.